Hi, Oakview friends. Ooh, today I've got a great lesson for you. You know how I love to take music and apply it to a different subject, math or science or social studies, language arts. I think it's the best to have music in action, real live. Whoa, music and something else. So today I'm going to put on my language arts music teacher hat. And we are going to talk about a haiku. I'm sure you've heard of a haiku before. It is a form of Japanese poetry. It has 3 lines. The first line has 5 syllables. The second line has 7 syllables. And then the third line has 5 syllables again. So 5, 7, 5. I've written a haiku for you. I'll share it with you. But step 1, you're going to need to write a haiku. Often haikus have a nature theme. You wouldn't have to do that. I could write a mighty fine haiku about a chocolate chip cookie, I'm pretty sure. But often nature is the theme. So step 1, write a haiku. And feel free to pause me and then go write your haiku. Come back when you're ready. Now that your haiku is written, step 2, find something about the house that you could use to create a sound carpet. Basically sounds that would go with your haiku, that would enhance, make your haiku even better. So, here's my haiku just for you. Springtime afternoons, smelling flowers and cut grass. Birds are singing round. Ooh, I kind of like it. So what I have paper that I'm going to rustle together. And that's kind of going to be maybe the sound of the tree, the wind in the leaves of the trees. And then my 5th grader found, it's a straw from a glass from the zoo that we went to a couple summers ago. But we found it's a bigger, thicker, heavy straw. So when you blow through it, almost sounds like birds singing, maybe. So I could do my poem with this sound carpet. Springtime afternoons, smelling flowers and cut grass. Birds are singing round. There you go. I've created a sound carpet to go with my haiku. Now that haiku I'm going to call A. It's the first part of my composition. That's A. I'm going to go crazy fancy here, and I'm going to add a little music to be the B section. Something totally different. 2 smaller parts that come together to create something bigger. So here's A. Springtime afternoons, smelling flowers and cut grass. Birds are singing round. Birds are singing round. And then here's my B. There you go. I created an A haiku. I created that all by myself. I added the sound carpet almost by myself. I had to use my 5th grader's brains to help me come up with a fun bird sound from something in the house. And then I just took just the introduction to a song that I love by an artist that I really respect and admire. Threw that in as my B section. Voila! I now have an A-B composition. I've created a contrasting section, you could say, to my haiku. There you go. Little language arts, little music. Hope you enjoy. Check in with me at my office hours. Drop me a note on the blog. Send me an email. I'd love to read your haikus. Sometimes if your videos get too long, it's hard to email them to me, but I would love to hear what you're up to. Take care, my friends. Stay safe. Cannot wait to see you again. Bye-bye.